There are 8 oranges in Alex's bag. He gives 4 oranges to Tom. How many oranges are left with him? So, as you can notice, we have 8 oranges on the page which I have drawn for you. I have crossed the last 4 oranges. So, how many oranges are there which are not crossed? 4, right? So, Alex is left with only 4 oranges. So, we can write it as 8 oranges minus 4 oranges is equals to 4 oranges, or we can also write as 8 oranges minus 4 oranges is equal to 4 oranges. So, Alex is left with 4 oranges. Now, you see students, we can also use the number line to find the answer to this question. So, let us use a number line and I will show you how we count backwards on a number line in the case of subtraction. Here is the number line where I have drawn 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the top of the number line. As you all know, we take forward jumps in the case of addition. So, in the above picture, I have located 8 on the number line by the help of forward jumps starting from 0 onwards. Next, in order to subtract 4, I have taken 4 backward jumps starting from 8. So, where did I reach? I have reached 4. So, 8 oranges minus 4 oranges equals to 4 oranges. So, Alex is left with 4 oranges. So, as you can notice, we have 9 dolls on the page which I have drawn for you. I have crossed the last 3 dolls. So, how many dolls are there which are not crossed? 6, right? So, Sita is left with only 6 dolls. So, we can write it as 9 dolls minus 3 dolls equals to 6 dolls, or we also can write as 9 dolls minus 3 dolls is equal to 6 dolls. So, Sita is left with 6 dolls. Well students, we are going to use the number line here again to find the answer to this question. Here is the number line where I have drawn 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 on the top of the number line. So, as you can all notice in this picture drawn here, I have located 9 on the number line by the help of forward jumps starting from 0 onwards. Next, in order to subtract 3, I have taken 3 steps backward jumps starting from 9. So, where did I reach? I have reached 6. Okay. So, 9 dolls minus 3 dolls equals to 6 dolls. So, Sita is left with 6 dolls. So, as you can notice, we have 12 red colored blocks on the page which I have drawn for you. I have crossed the last 5 blocks. So, how many blocks are there which are not crossed? 7, right? Okay. So, Jonak is left with only 7 blocks. So, we can write it as 12 blocks minus 5 blocks equals to 7 blocks, or we can also write as 12 blocks minus 5 blocks is equal to 7 blocks. So, Jonak is left with 7 blocks. Well students, we are going to use the number line here again to find the answer to this question. Here is the number line where I have drawn 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, as you can all notice in this picture drawn here, I have located 12 on the number line by the help of forward jumps starting from 0 onwards. Next, in order to subtract 5, I have taken 5 steps backward jumps starting from 12. So, where did I reach? I have reached 7. Okay, I have reached 7. So, 12 blocks minus 5 blocks equals to 7 blocks. So, Jonak is left with 7 blocks. Let us begin with the first question, where we need to find the difference of 9 minus 3. Here is the number line. Let us first locate 9 on the number line. So kids, this is 9. Since we need to jump backward in case of subtraction, so let us jump 3 steps backward starting from 9. From 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6. You can see here we have reached 6. So the required difference between 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So we have to put the number 6 here. Similarly, in the second question, we need to find the difference of 8 minus 4. Here is the number line. Let us first locate 8 on the number line. So kids, this is 8. Since we need to jump backward in the case of subtraction, let us first jump 4 steps backward starting from 8. From 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4. So the required difference between 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So we have to put the number 4 here. Now come to the next question, where we also have to find the difference of 7 minus 1. Here is the number line. Let us first locate 7 on the number line. So kids, this is 7. Let us jump 1 step backward from 7 to 6. From 7 to 6. You can see here we have reached 6 on the number line. So the required difference between 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So we have to put the answer here. Now come to the next question, where we have to find the difference of 9 minus 8. Here is the number line. Let us first locate 9 on the number line. So kids, this is 9. Now let us jump 8 steps backward starting from 9. From 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. You can see here we have reached 1 on the number line. So the required difference between 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Let us begin with the first question, where we have to find the difference of 5 minus 4. Here is the number line. Let us first locate 5 on the number line. So kids, this is 5. Now let us jump 4 steps backward starting from 5. From 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. You can see here we have reached 1 on the number line. So the required difference of 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So the answer 1 we have to put here. Now come to the next question, where we have to find the difference of 9 minus 4. Here is the number line. First we have to locate 9 on the number line. So kids, this is 9. Now let us jump 4 steps backward starting from 9. From 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5. You can see here we have reached 5 on the number line. So the required difference of 9 minus 4 equal to 5. So we have to put the number 5 here. Now come to the third question, where we also have to find difference of 8 minus 1. Here is the number line. Let us first locate 8 on the number line. So kids, this is 8. Okay. Let us jump 1 step backward from 8 to 7. From 8 to 7. So you can see here we have reached 7 on the number line. So the required difference of 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So we have to put the number 7 here. Now come to the next question where we have to find the difference of 6 minus 6. Here is the number line. First, we have to locate the number 6 on the number line. So kids, this is number 6. Now, let us jump 6 steps backward starting from 6. From 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 0. So you can see here we have reached 0 on the number line. So the required difference between 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have to put the number 0 here. Students, this is your maths book, chapter 4, Subtraction, page number 63. This is your worksheet page. I will send you all the answers of this page later. Now, turn into page number 64. Here we can see that there are some points what we have to learn from this chapter. Use the symbol minus to write subtraction sentences. Subtract numbers on the number line. Make subtraction combinations. Subtract numbers without regrouping. Solve day-to-day problems related to subtraction. Subtract numbers mentally. Subtraction using a number line. I have told you in earlier about how to make subtraction by using a number line. Now I am going through this topic. Please follow me up. There are 9 toys in John's box. He gives 5 toys to Tia. How many toys are left with him? If 5 toys are given away from 9 toys, 4 toys are left. You can write it as 9 toys minus 5 toys equal to 4 toys. Or 9 toys minus 5 toys is equal to 4 toys. So John is left with 4 toys. To find the answer, Tia uses a number line to subtract by counting backwards. This symbol is the symbol used for subtraction. It is called minus. We take forward germs in addition. In subtraction, we take backward germs to find the answer. First, Tia locates 9 on the number line here. Then to subtract 5, she takes 5 backward germs from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She reaches 4. So 9 toys minus 5 toys is equal to 4 toys. So John is left with 4 toys. While John plays with his toys, Tia takes out a bag of blocks to play. Tia has 9 blocks in her bag. She makes a tower using 5 blocks. How many blocks are left in the bag? 9 blocks minus 5 blocks is equal to 4 blocks. Here we can write like as 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, or we can write like as 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. These are the two ways to writing a subtraction sentence. Look at the table carefully, students. 5 toys minus 3 toys is equal to 2 toys. So we can write here like 5 minus 3 equal to 2, or we can write as 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. I will write the answer later, or I will send this answer later. This is the exercise. I will send the answers later. Now students, we are going to learn about how to make subtraction combinations. Here is the picture. Please see this picture carefully, and what I am going to explain you, please follow me. Tia and John's parents also buy an aquarium. Tia and John are very excited about it. There are 4 fishes in the aquarium. Sometimes Tia cannot see all the fishes as some of them hide behind the plants in the aquarium. Tia starts recording how many fishes are hiding at different times during the day. One day, Tia does not see any fish. It means all the fishes are hiding. This can be written as follows. Total number of fish: 1, 2, 3, 4. Fish visible? None. Fish hidden? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the subtraction sentence is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. This is the exercise of this topic. I will send you all the answers later. Now, we are going to learn about subtracting two numbers. I am going through the pages. Please follow me. Tia and John are excited as it is their mother's birthday tomorrow. They plan to decorate the room with balloons. They buy 18 balloons. In first row, we can see here 9 balloons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in second row, we can see another 9 balloons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. While blowing the balloons, they damage 6 of them. How many balloons are left with them? To find the answer, Tia goes to the number 18 on the number line and counts 6 steps backward. Here is the number line, and we have drawn 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 on the bottom of the double number line. So, where does Tia reach on the number line after counting 6 steps backward from 18? From 18, 12. Tia reaches 12. The subtraction sentence is 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Subtraction sentence help us while related addition sentences. Here 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 and 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 are the two related addition sentences for 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Now students, please see this picture. John uses bundles and sticks to find the number of balloons left with them. Here is the tens place and this one is ones place. He uses 18 sticks, 1 10 and 8 ones. 1 10 means 10 ones and 8 ones, that means 18 ones. He takes away 6 sticks. So we have crossed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sticks. So how many sticks are left? 1 10 and 2 ones, that means 12 ones. Here the tens place, here the ones place. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. 8 in ones place, 1 in tens place. Again 6 is ones place and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 and 1 will be the same. So 12 balloons are left with them. Okay, now these are the examples and these are the exercises of this topic. I will send you all the answers later, students. Now, what we have learned from this chapter? A number is subtracted from a bigger number. Subtraction is represented by the minus symbol. The answer that we get on subtracting a number from another number is called the difference. To subtract a number line, we move to the left by taking backward jumps. When we subtract, we take away or remove items from a group. For example, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. This is called a subtraction sentence. Here we take away 6 items from a group for 9 and are left with 3 items. When a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. We can write 2 related addition sentences for a subtraction sentence. When we combine objects, we add. When we take away objects, we subtract.